All right, so we're going to take a look at this example here, where we are going to try to convert a square, an area, which starts in square feet, and we're going to convert it into square meters. Now, we're going to do this in a very similar way to how we convert lengths, but there's a little tweak that we have to do to make it so we convert units that are an area. So I'm going to set up a ratio, and this is the ratio that I normally set up with converting lengths, or really any conversions that I do. And so in that first piece there with the 900 square feet, that's kind of the measurement that we're given. Underneath there is where we're going to put the measurement that we are wanting to find. So we have the 900 square feet on top, and then we're going to put in how many square meters is 900 square feet. On the next side there, on the right-hand side, I have another ratio that has the conversion of feet and meters. Now, you'll notice here that I have 3.28 feet is equal to 1 meter. We could always find what 1 foot is equal to in meters as well, but I decided to use this one instead. So now what we'll notice right off the bat as well is that 1 meter to 3.28 feet, that is a length conversion. There is not 3.28 square feet in 1 square meter. So to find that, we actually need to square the top and square the bottom. So what this does is it converts our length conversion rate to an area conversion rate. And that will be done once we square it. Now, 1 meter squared is just going to be 1 meter squared. But the 3.28 becomes 10.7584 square feet. Now, depending on where you're doing this, if you're in my class, I usually say keep about 2 decimal places. If you're somewhere else, you might want to keep a few more. You can do these calculations as a part of the cross multiply and divide calculation that I normally go through. Instead of doing, but you can also do it separately as well, like I've just done. Now, the last step, and this is something that I have taught in my class when it comes to length conversions, is we do the cross multiply and divide. So we're going to start with the 900 square feet, and I'll put up the calculation here right now. So we start with the 900 square feet, we multiply across, so that's going down across, so 900 square feet times 1 square meter, and then we divide by that third piece, and that's going to then be back on top, and that is the 10.7584 square feet. And we're going to get ourselves a measurement of 83.66 square meters. So to convert a square unit, we have to make sure that we square our conversion rates in order to find that proper one.